Edwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Edwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara. Uzito somya bamura bakikuya mandege. Uzito somya bamura bakikuya mandege.
Karibu sana umwancho murigire na kirabono twasoire ase ensemo yende ya gose ensemo ya gatatu yo murubiriga witwani ya getembe na kirotore nere Gerard Orare kurwa ase ichobisi ya umubunge Onyaribari Chache gose ne kirotora chukurigiriria mangana igoro gose meremeri abasaye bakora ase ichobisi cha CDF ase ebunge yo ya Nyaribari Chache nande oyega nigo are osena bago kwanera nane nkumwarigani asinchira ere yabene ekigima Jared
Biamono murare
Gerard Anju
Jared Orare lakini siko sometimes Jared na ora tonya ora because avante mama tuna Anju ina ngoliera so I'm from Ibeno ward bunge ya Nyaribari Chache kinyaruge kurukerera nongo toka service yo mubungali okoro bwerania use communication director
karibu sana communication director mirimo yao nemuno mangana communications ingira nyare gukunira okokora se bunge guse office iga ime Nyaribari Chache
gatia se biringo chanakora number 1 no gotema ku update abana inchi ingika gukora a service. So my key role no gotema ku information ili bwanta ko bali lead from the office gosukurwa so mubunge gochia sabana inchi for instance onyo ali gose mubunge na ali rero totebe ngoro nchi akali gose classes kita se let's say ward muna birongo it's my sole duty ko ensure buna bana inchi ba birongo bamanye nuna rero mubunge no area yabo kora 1 to 3 gose ko launch those classes. Another thing, no to make sure buna vital informations. Let's say for example, sina karbona mangana na jibasaris ekero chitatoto ketu abana funzi baitu sababu boli bamanya buna check chake ko applied. It's my duty to make sure buna information such information yeyo yakira abana nchi. So those are among my roles.
Mbemona sana na inde karibu ngora ngingambu ya gwatika abantu baibeno obare nekiro tukurigirira bono abasairi tukirigare jumo no kohena no moyo konyoranga abasaya abange kiro kene mbamanyitinga ama baganare babwenete gusebaganiri aba mwabo bagendete gukora imirimo ase icibunge ekiro kwanira constituency ya Nyaribari Chache na kyo ohoche abasaye bari ase chobisi
ase constituency Nyaribari Chache ngwakero mujumbo roro mheshimiwa Zairi jana nampia mono nandiri tangani ase ngencho has empowered quite a number of abasaye kuchia service yae mate initially miaka ya kare abasaye bamanyikana tuna bantu ali kwekero siaseri inwe mo gutumeka maybe nepli a bridge one mo raya nyoreli bagelio ogenda maybe koleta abantu abangao gose abantu abarende bange bagaka toliko kana bagaka rakinde most of the time so kunyara buna basaya aba ibago buna bali bago tumeka and then bati kwabu and maybe until another election but that's not the case in Nyaribari Chache because as obviously ito I can say that around 80% if not 90 aba kollega sibara service ya tote made to watch service bere ne really ya CDF and really under parliamentary service. So in the both offices, John Chire answerable to Mujumbe. I can say in those two offices, actually 90% ya bantu ba kollega si aliso bocha na basaye. Igobone ye kora kirende kuna amangana basaye na ngobare taken into consideration na Mujumbe wa Nyaribari Chache.
Mbemona sana ingige ko granga na basaye bara bangi sana se chia visijiga.
Tali une bara bange but you might tell name tu ka ki yare kire that's why kwa boli na ki abasa engonyora bale chance kare this it never used to happen like that no nyina yake rokina ngwa karta it was so rare onyoro musae kara chobis chi serikali ne maybe cha CDF gose parliamentary yarenge biro biri byarenge reserved for abantu aba bakongire
na n'abantu utamanye
lakini bono muna tokunya ku evolve yachire konyorekana muna abokonyora bono obisichi abasaya bakoba impressed na ande tali bakoba impressed for nothing. It's because of the work they do na ande boro kiruna they are equal to the task. That's why yanyarekana korrekana buna basaya nkoye ubareri bagenda barabonyare korki what they have banyare bakoregas
tukumurekere office ya CDF abasaya mbiro bukebiga abirararo gose bitene neire n'abasaya nabo igonki mborera niki ose inchira kibakore mirimo yabo.
Bona CDF, let me talk about Asenguru Nyeriba Chache. As a CDF, ntubwate kento ko kubuna a board ye a cover office for 2 years. CDF board was a committee. A cover office for 2 years. We will sign a contract here 2 years. So as a board ye go to abantu maybe a composition, let's say around 7-8 abo. Nasa bantaba ngotu atole let's say female adult and ngotu atole male adult agwe miaka yabo ngo very specified. For example abantu kutoka let's say 35 and above, and then ngocha twatwara bono rande ngozingatia bale sana gender. So ngocha twatwara ngento ko kuna female youth you lazima below 35 years. And then naandingo tole female male youth you as a CDF board kwa guri. And then one abu ekero composition ye koru before baso obisi ngo etera bare vigorous egena tukorna vigorous interviews ose assessment korakana because specification inchiro nkyo muntu no kwanta kwa citizen no kwanta kwa miaka ketenengo ase such position no kwanta kwa maybe a voter ya Nyeriba Chache so that for you to be considered. So that's how ekwende yeko ya roswa yapa constituted ekwende ya a board. And then apart from a board ngo chatoro ngo trickle down to we can tukor kapna CDF staffs.
Yes.
CDF staffs navarabo according to what is specified. For example, ngo tora tole bona abono tora bantu na chief accountant, ngo tora tole secretary, ngo tora tole office managers, ngo tora tole driver, ngo tora tole security guards. Na inchi bona abono ngo soera bona munanche. I'm part of the CDF staff as a communication officer.
Yeah. Twamurekera a CDF gose chiga cha CDF ase bunge ya Nyeriba Chache egati ya magenderari chiko bachigo ikirane gose ari anene mono no buna basae mukonyara kone kinga mwatene neire akorekanire bakomo erio egati ya magenderari narali ukonyoro
bono umurali Matilda CDF maite sometimes abantu ngo chabale banye misquote in a way because I can say buna mbali kumanya maybe bintu kibiri wente kokora CDF ye ne bwate biri kokora na ne bwate biri takore. For instance ko choro kwanya rumonta ko tena ki ntutagete motokonyo gwetera CDF ntubwate muchango kanisa gose totete motoro serie kanisa. Those are things that CDF turi kokora bono ase biri kokora ne bintu buna koana na bursaries ase abana. Unabono we are doing bursaries to university students in colleges and in high schools. Lakini tuliko kora sabana ba primary. Yeah, it's good to know that. And then ngokolera same totokoro kabuna amangana security. For instance kwa gacha chichi of his chiefs rabeko gacha of his chabantu buna ACCs. Gacha chichi nonyina amangana se DCI na totokoro chief of his DCI. Or even to police post ngoro siri.
Yes.
Unabono we are into the most recent mujumba na igore police post ikor kuna kikati sorry a structure complete. You want those are among the roles of CDF. And then go akachire classrooms.
Yes.
Everything ngoro siri. And then chipara ngoro siri lakini chirichire no chipo for example school muna ne school rekaiga epara ne telling ye go connect ko school ye CDF nera allowed ko kokora chipara mnecho.
Yes. Ekero tu kwana na mangana ayechi sembe gose kwa gacha wa classrooms. Vira siviga nko gachere bakebya ECD.
So now you realize as the ECD classes it's under the county government kusomwa MCA. So what we do into eto kare bibitali bya ebirasi bya preschool sorry under the county government, lakini bono into eto kare buna let's say primary ebi bya bana ba primary school to kare na bya high schools go secondary schools.
Ne kirobiri gati yabasai bari mu abiri muko bwaterana ase chovisi chiga delivery chabona ki yabere gose ne kibabere ba kore mirimo
labongo te ngunyara ko teba nte ma comment for instance from where I come from. Now we are in office for let's say 2.5 years. Nabongo teba buna so far so good. Na temira kwa rabuna those guys ngo itoma bali abasai bali babekira se birogebi because these are people ba very empowered yani you have been chosen among many kuwakilisha kosiko kole kasi because abanta ichikazi cy'abantu nabange sana bayitagete nakini mbara chikera. So I've been able to see unabasai bali ba very chosen babere bagwetuma inchokora umuntu akore kasi nere no naboko ba contented buno muntu oyo is performing and is doing well, and that's why we are advocating for abasae will come up in large numbers wanyale ko take up these positions osebiroge binalinde banyale na warwo korera abana inchi kosibanyale kutumekera ense yawe ya Kenya.
Inchira kiye mogo tumeka gwikira abantu ground kiagera omanyete nga abasae nabo baratumeke bya inchira kimogo tumeka abuna Nyaribari Church gwikira abantu bari ground wamanye gati yemechando eri bagwetera nabo gebintu biri bagane tukwikara no nyaso mojumbe osobo konye bagane tukurasija bisija CDF.
Okay.
Yes.
So bono into from our side, from our office ntubwate number one ntubwate working relationship erengia between let's say naba chief or naba assistant chiefs. We are always in touch na barabo because you might want to naba assistant chief or you trickle down to aba tuleti bali nabo bantu bari binyurime. So inchira neto ja tobatra na monia siriweba ntole in constant communication na baraba chief, they know how to when they have such cases might how to reach our offices. And then number two, from our office nand even on the parliamentary side the office but all the two offices are under the MP. Ntubwata bantu bako kuna ward coordinators. So kasi ya coordinators yaba para kwe bale eba chabato information of what is happening in the villages use grassroots, what they may be, let's say asenara muchando asenara matangale for instance asenara maybe umoroira leo takire at serious attention. So for them, once they get those cases from the villages, they are able to push Mujumbe for action. Yeah, so that's how we make sure no nekero to something or say information get and deep into the villages. We also use, apart from using chiefs and assistant chiefs na abanta abakoro kubuna maybe abatuleti bali to waka amo na intundu bwate bono coordinators abo na apart from coordinators at least kire kenyoro ngonyoro linki bwate umuntu okuwakilisha mujumbe ororo. So these people now got the information from down there so that we push it to the MP for action.
Nekirito gorigere bunge Nyaribari Church nigo ere I think ase orugongo rwa gusinere bunge ntangane sana abamenye banyarite gutora umurayo tari gose utari omugusi totebo tari manyinga gusigisa kukyo omugusi lakini kero kurigere in terms of performance na boigo relationship ya na buche ase abantu Nyaribari Church okorora kananga babeire bagokora emirimo biya so bereka gukora emirimo biya na abantu Nyaribari Church eno buna basai okorigere yo MP nere nange buna no musai enaki mwabeire moko coordinate.
You know bona Matilda ntu Nyaribari Church as we were growing up we are still growing anyway, lakini twararorire amangana ayo clanism kere igoro sana. So it was so brave of Zaire Janda ko maneuver na go break barriers.
Yes.
Mpaka kocha kuibuka mushindi asa mangana ya yani minde bibo nyumba karapi akaveka side that's why my tako erko era bono kambatis era yani nyumba chons pe karwate una e kamba nane umonini era bono nyumba chons pi no arena chiracho so muno matense kunya gusuka toikira bona sebuno okay let me you are a youth talibu enja my youth ekero ko rumurai sometimes tali lazima ukumanye buno muntu yonke yakoro because Zahir ngota abareta mugusi of course it's true lakini nanyarete ko ika bantanga akaba convince bakamwakira chikura so abantu baitu banyali bali n'abantu abangaini because they never want to look at what umuntu oyo so bonkai might that there were some people who were bettering lies no muntu oyo so bonkai ose kesa kukiangireki so despite all those talks bantu bachitu kunya kuligera na so bonkai eba rochi no muntu na tokonya because you know what kurumaiga dwara twarira barai maybe they never satisfied abantu na batagete nanda barai aba if you can look n'abantu baiturende abantu baitu but n'abantu banka but bono maybe they never satisfied abantu na batagete but here comes Zaire Janda uyu tari mugusire na bagateba he has performed actually so far ntoro cheka sigandrete constituency ochocho ngotari nyali bali ororengi kegandrete because unabona actually
umoncho muligera na bagusange kerengere
unabona iga tunakwana iga bono mambi chipara asere nguru asikuru keumbu epara nera bwiga yara toward the challenges negenda to cross at the moment chi tractors no on site and generally no na mangana bintu ne classes na botoko te classes bono chikoro sunyali bali nchiri chikoro ko modern chikobekwe carpet inse ya chire yani class no mwana kako soime no nyine sabo nyatari koigu na bakonyoro ya soire biye go without any struggle and then no na mangana chibasari we were talking about since we came into office abana buna bali batashari maybe tertiary colleges and universities we've been able to cover 10,000 that was never the case in Kurmaiga
tertiary institutions
we won gero mujuba soete na temete kuimuki goro actually previously bakanyora around 3,000 to 5,000 wona iga se totore bakanyora 10,000 and above and then previously onye bana bakanyora bechi second colleges bakanyora bursaries bali ba secondary bakanyora but now we are doing both secondary and colleges and universities so those are some of the things toroche ekero mujumba soire achira oretro okodro bonchorede from previous times
ekero tokurige chi list chavere chiko abana bali banyora techi bursary na mane mnogo tebanga tertiary institutions bakonyora 10k kwanyora abare college na boigo abare TVET omo baro nore bakonyora ngo titene kerengereri iki kubikanga ekerengo gete banyora chibesa chingani na ile
mata bono no chase let's say mwanafunzi totabe kisi university na bonyora semester awakana let's say 60,000 for instance kwa manya konyora uliole polytechnic let's say polytechnic una wano ntuwateke polytechnic koruna keumbu vocational training youth something kwanyora ere gosene seme period liko kuna semester awakana 5,000 wano iye ko garamo mujumba gateba asinkincha ba universities fees yabo nere nkarake nere nake let's give them 10,000 nande bonere flat rate bonsi bako bali provided you have applied and then you attach the necessities chitakeire ngonyora 10,000 icho and provided orumo umumenyo nyali bali chache you also show by your identification and umumenyo nyali bali chache so bali ba college universities 10,000 bono okonyora umuntu gosene village polytechnic aso konyora maybe a term gose semester agwakana fees ya 5,000 gose 7,000 na bako akwa 5,000 ibono konyora ya musukiria kerenge getambe that's what konyora kurugura ali bakonyora highest go chance chake yake na libara aba accommodated bonds
nekero twarigire mbaroro konyora nga kero chi list ye chichiko soka mbaroro konyora ba komis nake mogocha how do you handle the complaints
so you know now ekero konyora umuntu akomis sometimes it might not be our fault konyora ole ase formally konyora ole to specify the year and konyora ko ba front cover front page buna ebintu biri omuntu bonente kubeka number 1 beke ID yago number 1 nye kole university maybe nabo attach a fee statement and then nabo attach no a student's ID tumanye ko somuntu no mwanafunzi ali na nabo mata nakonya no mwanafunzi lakini okorete atake tukubeka igo for obvious reasons so ebintu mbiro toko gotena beke part certificate beke ID the reason why we do all this no ko ensure abuna chikure ndi chekire abanafunzi bali school because nabakonyora omuntu gago chakurotse nyari bali tuta omuntu rune nyamira acha abeke and if we are not so strict on it nabakonyora chikure chibasa chachira outside nyari bali chire meant for the abantu bali abanyene bali the indigenous students so that's why konyora ngobeka turi specifications ngotaba tole attach ID attach birth certificate attach gosene ekibande ky'umuyibuli na litokumanyanga yokoro bono napokonyora omuntu bekire gosine ID school yoka tabeke ID ya na maybe n'omuntu above 18 tabeke ID omuyibuli definitely that one will miss napokonyora dio tokora vetting na bakomiss because tara approve na n'umunyali bali ale enough
na ambara bya bakora vetting ye
so vetting yako koruna CDF ntopate as CDF nako ntopate board and then we have under the CDF board ntopate staff ya CDF so those are the people bachamo bakora vetting according to what we outline nkikibwanta kuligererwa
na kiro tibasari tigati abwatukiro kwanyole complaints nande mwache ko review abande mwajora ngambara maine ba miseti chibese chika ngochichiri cyabwatu kunande ngobwatu kabarese chintunda chinde
so iza ko mate human is to error of course nande se kunyarekana buna magosa korekanire na beko ba reviewed na buna ndu mwanafunzi tokoranga kyakaba compensated lakini eke once wa approve buna to chire page by page twanyore buna aramba gosa na korekanite abakonyorekana yakia yanyore
mbuya mono kegima nekiro oroche ibuna inobono bali abasai mwakorire mirimo no mo obunge ibintu kibire mwanyarire wesome buna inukiro kende orachikobo muraya matukare gusio oranyare ko bitumeka bigukonye
personally unanche I have been able to learn a lot from the current MP again take tanga no kori again to unanche ndatebe na run from him no cover perseverance na ndoko ba determined maite intuna basa most of us sometimes ngotemole gochakana negento ndiro konyorone no ninkali otete gochakana no biashara byako akegaiga umuntu wito moyo gotebie bito konyora faida teko ibibi koba so sometimes it's good to tegerera mangana abantu ali nandale almost real negative I focus with the positivity musukamutu so those are among the bintu bitwara nande ogoikaba antange no gutware good relationship n'abantu gutware good relationship n'abantu and then okotegerera abantu bategerera give their needs and then always be there for them paikange and above all I mean nyasaye ogo and trust the process yeah
ekiro chi project chigendrete kuna bona ukwate bachi paranchiri chigendrete kubekwa maro muboniga betera nsiyo robero CDF na boigo chi school gusebira simple bigendrete kwa gacho enti mukiyega yabasaire wikira naroro
bona se mangana chipara bona let's say from as a CDF nagati nko tukuntura teko composition ya a committee or say board so from CDF ngocha bali ba agree ba manyarende through maybe consensus batebo yabe chairman or yabe chairman maybe bursaries or yabe gentogete so from that CDF committee na togo twanya omuntu kurukune chair ya roads nyari bari chache oyibona agocho tomugo kera kera no matenere kushurikira chi para cha mostly cha ruro usichi para cha ito kai nyari bari na let's say yasa chi constituency nyinge kera nere kushurikira chi para so ekero twatumira omuntu oyo mukuru wa se board ya CDF ogenda kutugwakirishali so nero ko in charge of roads in the constituency unabono our current kurende board umuntu twatwara asechipara before ende kwende tamu ya betara kore kurende taraba renewed and after 2 years umungwana ko Dennis Kiaka is a youth n'omongwana ore below 35 so and that's how I told you omojumbe obeire gakoba omonto okwaminia ase oborai bwa abasae because this guy n'omonto ore below 35 but he has also worked well buna chairman ya roads nyaribari chache so ekero chipara buna chikorosiwa ntubwate team bona bunare chairman ya roads nere nande gwikara orosibona sub committee yae sub committee ngandaro constitute team yae team wenere bono most of the times egoche oversee the construction of these roads. Their role is maybe bagenda banshwa epara nkoroswere muna according to maybe PQ or according to what is required epare yekoru they should be there kokora inspection frequent inspections so a team we inero ngotoke muno na bono echipale chinawo techigenda tekorosu na chiri chibwe tegochakorosu
yes
a team wene it's their duty to make sure munambarali epara maybe mo contractor yorali taba se gokora ibintu biri bitabonerati
nekiro tokorigeria abasaya baigo bose bara service yega kero kende it's your first time gokora emirimo bune yigo gokora ase office yega singa kichine ngonyoro ngabasaya nkogani orobo semia ngaki moko chamanyora ngomogo consult kero kende kero manyora ngamangana ega okonyora nga nkochiara aba bachake yes
you know now as a young person or as obviously recruit community number one you must be flexible to learn tobo muntu metie bigotirioka lazima ube flexible to learn in terms because na embono let's say na embono wasoira abu bono kunya kolan bono wasoira so you don't expect things to go as you expect all through so nere nande bone kero konyora turali buna basaya scho bisichi ndoli basaya tweka ntubwate kegorie kekenena kere kinokere abantu bwate some ladies and gentlemen abagaka nabangi nabarali so abantu abakonyora barabwo bara kongire bakongete in terms of emyaka nande bakongete in terms of no reasoning yabo nero on another level so sometimes konyora uri buna abantu ababono bali above us in terms of age and experience maybe some of them they have worked elsewhere so these people ekero maybe mugwate challenges and they are good people of course I have to upload them because ekero ko kwenda gwachira umuntu umwe kwa matebi maybe let's say it's a chairman kwa mateni mbwate challenge getegeiga naga these people are always ready to help the young people because umate ntogenda tekokina and ekero kokina you must be open to learning because learning is a continuous process so some of these guys they have been instrumental as to guide na so ekero go maybe ekero ko industry ekero ko raligoso na bokonyora bagote na yaya this route is not good na ekero ko te no musae it's your duty onyare ko tegerera to these people because barabumba babwato bosemi gwigorake baratwari experience so in our office da bongo tebali as much as aba sayentororo we also have these other people very aged ake bara kongire ba might think ake ebintu bikwenda so most of them will rely on these guys asobo semi na soko tworokere
na bari mwansi mora service yega antera ke mo kose embarwete chinse mo a chikona chinse chia constituency yanyaruba
so wono maite madam Matilda ekero maite no ofisi ya siasa nande umujumbe utubwateganya tuchikura 35000 which means kero rogongo ndo mwakere tuchikura so ekero once akiri chikura from every polling station kero rogongo rwanyaribari abantu ngo takabale sana kumanya nguri obekirali umuntu itonarali kwenda so ekero constitution ya ekero chobisi chikose abantu bali bako service bako choro gose bako nominated baswe to various positions umujumbe ngo zingatiale kintu kya regional balancing sana apart from regional balancing nande ngo zingatiale no agenda ngo no muntu waminite mangana agenda so konyora onye maybe urusiri onye se let's say from Gosenkize Central muntu takira service let's say ya parliamentary karumura kakorusi birongo akorusi gose no umusubati and bono regional balancing okorwe in that onyankizi Central onyo muntu yo muruli gose let's say nyanchwa aso yo kumuwakilisha oyo ndakuru nonye the far end ya Masongo so regional balancing ya koretu and that's why roche ense kanyegete abantu because ngora bare from their localities ngorra at least mundu ngoteba oyo ngurware kuri ward yaito at least bali bantu bali baro office ali bonse pi mbarwete various wards tari ko sina bantu bonse abantu bakarwete ward ya muna Kiumbu ntubwate those officers all of them bakoru the 6 wards of Nyaribari Church.
Na boigo ino na kimokora mwana kinga owanchirira tuko yana mona samangana buna yega yechu basari ntubwate amangana buna yoko ene kya magendra sichinse mochine ngo nyororenga kuruguse no nyama tukamagega sena rukonyoranga amagendra engeire kutumika no nyechibe sechiga cha CDF lakini akirukuriga ebunge Nyaribari Church amangana buna yega yo wanchirira kimogote makoene kya timuranyara gosu wanchirira tukora aba asechi sechiga na boiga magendra
umaita bono what happens trochi akero to gozingatia mangana regional balancing ekinargo gotebia yuliare sonye tata ne let's say ne body ya CDF body ya CDF onye kubate tebe abantu 8 or 10 nkonyorore at least kirumonto ngurware e ward kwenda kwande for example tata banya wale 8 kero muntu ngurware ward maybe bona asande na oranyore maybe yo tikarete maybe gosuno muntu disability o muntu ngurwe ward yende so oyo ayenye kerore ward ekerore for example kunanje ward ya nibeno na ndento kende ase board ya CDF it's aye igasia most of the things so korali no go ensure onyo muntu rure bubarachu ward okukakoreta manga ekero bakoreta in terms of proposals ekero bako make proposals gose bubaracha sekete ntoputa kere let's say ntoputa kere story building era modern na aye kero kurwe ward yawe ibino you also take amararamishi gose what you need from CDF ekoreka na se ward yawe ibino so all these people bako these various wards ebako chabaleta mangana ye abinyoro byabo gosechi ward cyabo baletamo batware common meeting bajadiriana bateba na ndibona in terms of priority batebonye for example project nera secretary installed unabono I can't miss to mention even no KMTC you know it's a stalled project ya for quite a while but I'm pleased to announce that abantu banyali bali buna any time from now ekonde lingo chakere because mujumbo nyebekere nebekere 20 million go chakere any time from now enyale koera so that they operational abana ba join college yeli onyene kenyorona kera kike benefit so mangano bwanchire tari go chaba rais because kero muntu ngore tara mangana ale FST chiwodi chabo arafu ikaroba kero mware tira mangana yonsipi bone mo kare general meeting una bali morali ase kurende mwamanye priority nereri ngakimo kwanda until chikunde chonse chaba touched
nakiro tokuriya chinse monjire chabere chire gose underdeveloped totebenga magendero taraikera na robia nebo togotebanga Nyaribari Church gose ngakero kende ya chakire koraba chinse monjiro rotoro esho abono iga okogenda kwanyoranga bado chiparanjira babuya igo kwanyoranga no nyama ngana buna chinguru cheste manjira nere mogotema gosanga ebirengerere biga kwene kinga baikira ne abantu mbaro bataraikirwa magendero
mbiya kwa wori soriro actually tigan kote ibuna akara tu aso to visi 2.5 years ago that one no na bananji na bago they can testify most of the roads Nyaribari chinyinge cyabo nchalenge gweteka no chiri cyarenge kai bado cyabwate challenges but down the line bono go chaiga mpaka bono ikekero to kwana na nyumo tekere na bago testify te buna at the moment ntopo ati pale in that condition yere dilapidated because bona last year mujumbe na korete na nduma ati sits in the committee of roads and transport bona last year asinge njumo wa matabuli bwa yo bya bwate na ndanje tabantu bae last year alone etwa korete chipara 16 chi county government chiri mwate chipara chiri to gukora se chiranda kera nchire ase website ya kera isoko udayo na nsi miago abo gukora kia Nyaribari chipara nchirichi but bono chiri outside kera ili mujumba ko manager but out of the goodwill nanda also wancha abantu bae nanda abantu ngomba kachina mararamishi haya last year I did 16 roads within the constituency tokonyora time I'll share with you the list na bomocha ku publish later see your programs so bono gekero to kwa nega Matilda ntuwa tibono para trate une pale li MPP etali kunyara gweteka abwate challenges
chirense eye omo jumbe
ase chipara chirense omo jumbe actually abwate challenges the past few weeks ne pale ko Kiumbu yagenda Liondonga yagenda all the way to Ibeno nande yabwate challenges ase ngencho ekera contractor yache to sometimes back aba murambara abo ba temete ko ba hostile batete contractor kore gasia kwa amani so bakaba mune batama go side contractor from the site but bono ga singenche pali no nkor buna bono mabino netera bono ga no erorere ne tractor chonse ne yabwate challenges but now ne kero to konyora feedback ro saba na nchi pale yibona igambiyere gwetekere so at the moment na ande bune paranere kurukuru nyabyuto chirige na nere kuru aside yare nyabyuto na bwate challenges na we are expecting a contractor end time from now so as we speak ibona ngenya libali unless umuntu approve korwa mu tegereri to so mo oyo ligereti
yes
labongo confirm na bonga ntubati pale rembe in that bad status nyali bali chache na ande chipale chino cha maintained in few months to come nchiro na ndo mu jumba wa chakolete president nyale ko ba chinyale kuchaka korosi kwa sela
nekero bono tukukwana abasae kusitogende tusigeta abasae ntubwate nonye polytechnic ya Kiumbu nabwo ntubwate abasae abange sana myanyari bali chache ba beire graduate kurwase TVET institution inchenaki banyare kusegetwa ase bunge yanyari bali chache
matu mujumbe tubwate no musae
yes
no musae ale na nda mushwa na in terms of nyari bali history na rumo bungo mo kepyo nyare ko choro ekera ari musae ngo tuarara mangana y'abasae at yeko that one has been evident because all along side to asoto obisi buna asoto obisi percentage na nakapeka basae iyo korke already nabwate ibirenge libya nabasae and then after that as a topic yoko empower basae in one way or the other so far for the last 2 years opere ga kopeke umupira a tournament football soccer tournament actually the first year kara bekete bali ba ngubwe ba ngura 3 million number 2 akaira 2 million number 1 number 3 akaira 1 million that's the first year lakini bono ya bwate baisike that time and then coming when you roll again to this last year now about the same tournament whereby ababu ibanya 2 million lakini bono the last time it never incorporated ladies so this time na yachitaka incorporate ladies so whereby no nyebali ababu ibali saba subati timu yanyorete timu yatanganete ya nkonyora 700,000 gocha gorende mata bono as a team
yes
bono kermore team tete yabasae 20 players moya 3 million napokonyora at least muntu napokonyora you can't miss to get even 100,000 is a good money yogochakira ne biashara so some of these youths ngwanda bali basoamo bachaka ibyumbe bachaka mangana abo chibese chibakonyora kwetera empowerment kwetera mepira bali bakwanda bachaka ibintu byabo bikebikega byokogenderera and then no nyina sama mangana basayande mujume ngo obere on record kakoteba is ready to empower these young people what they do no gocha mo batwara let's say Kiumbe mwateba intu turabasaye gose mbatano etokoro kisi central ward asakoro kumenyingwa intwe tobwa totetamangana totetokora mangana kawosh gose gose bichigari umwishibanda so mwishimiwa babwate proposal yabo bamoteba intu tutegete mangana ya kawosh so inkiunga kiurato konya he has empowered quite a number na bamukwanda kekera mwachire na bakwanda obalike none chipesa nkego mwachira obagora no usene chimashini chirichoko sibichigari bagendera in that way so abasaye
na wega ase obobundi tigana ko bitora tokurige na mangana yo kwagacha chipara onkote muri kurigereria abasa wega ba graduate koru echi polytechnic echi gachimanyira ikasoro gongo rwagusi ose mwarigere nonye ase okwagacha gasi ya mujengo ngwa muri abaiga barure ase echi polytechnic echi gachirenga
bueno no muna CDF
yes
muna CDF richi kuri CDF likoteba gusino ni ntwe karto buna into office ba contractor ba chire mangana ali ba wini monta wini contract ali karwa ba ya the entire process ya procurement ngote bitura abantu bali muna onye kerasi ke kwagachi guseme nyingwa umu contract oyo igabwenerete ko kutumika abantu from the locality one let's say gose chifundi usina basaya bange bakoreta mangano go ufundi so ekero umuntu achire koro usine keras usine para gaiga most of the people are advised gutumeka use contract akaba advised atumeka abantu bakuru that area use vikinyorokeri so that naira apanyare kuba boost nande so far so good ekero to kora this ekero mite bikoro use claim tuna classes na baba kunyara go source those guys from around the that locality as ji project chikokoro yeah
ntubwete magana buna bono criticism ekero kurigereria anne mona basai bali mo kore me mwasi cyo bisi konya roringa kero kindi abantu bako bekira mamocho esingincho ya magendero getate ikiraneti chinse mo baire me kendi ni numu bate chinguru na kimkoni arawudil na
you know sir what happens sometimes chibesa cha CDF njire limited in a way at times that's what konyora one let's say a financial year was in last financial year ebintu okonyora ebintu bigucho as proposals chi proposal jirito ko team ya CDF ko collect echire no times 5 chibesa chiri tubwento yani echire chinyinge mono kubwa chibesa chiri to allocation eto kwa ego that's why bona ko teina ki ekero for example chi proposal chi achire kuru no let's say from schools chi proposal chi kero chi hocha ngwe katuri twaligererie priority for instance priority nereri to allocation etara kor because iso kulige proposals chiko ba meda echire chinyinge chibesa chira chitakire chitaisane so ekero to kwanda mangana priority ngonyalekanere ya babuna bono that's why konya this financial year chiko ba allocated chi school gete echinde nchiro maybe na chire ina create kwa condition lakini asinge ncho pesa chitari kuisana ekero chia enye to focus on some next financial year to focus another again on chiri chiatigarete twanya koroli go ngora mpaka atiri lakini enye ndichi pesa chikuisana kange mtebi ko korwa millions of which is not the case
yes hututiga bono bali okonyoranga mpare pa konya complaining akero kene ntoro cho modume na gene te cross buna bono ebirasi amagacho naragendete chiparanjiri chigendete konyora barabu mbara ikero kote mumure ko kwana n'abantu abayiga ko bamanyenga
no Matilda what happens muna bono CDF muna CDF mangana yo cross classes richi kili ko tebaiga inubune school let's say a principal or say a head teacher amone kamati eliae imugocha mwali kegento gikoro kubuna imukori kegento kubune proposal we kamata yabuna intubuna getembe secondary school egento tubwate bona iga tubwati tubwati lab for example a lab go say library so mwate aba phone nyemu mwate lab ne remote geta gentry imugo nchaka buna ne first priority mwama yacha mwate aba tubwati chikoni mwate aba tubwati staff room erebia mwacha you trickle down mpaka maybe wana kero tokana kuligeria kero tokora allocations chiro priority ne lab mwena nete so sometimes ngonya role bono ngonya rekanere na umuntu akomplete na school yeto tera mujumbe tera ikoro lakini kero kuligeria records kwanya rabuna maybe they have never done any proposal because no kero kwa nyakitari akote mu nyakitari buna enda kondomere kumanya kyao cha prescribe umali okya kwa lakini bono nye toracho totebi ntubwate challenge gete we might not be aware so that's why to encourage school heads amone chikamati chi school tikaba chamo banyara gukora again tokoroka buna bari ke proposal in terms of their order of priority so that tekero no ne kamati mujumba ko ikaransanse ko se body ko ikaransanse bamanye school ye ne bwate challenge ke tege repressing so that baya banya ko ba considered lakini so complain verbally utara kora utara kora something that is written we can have a challenge because na bako complain lakini nyara sande barabwe ba complain on paper so this one is but ba complain on paper they will be given a priority
ekero oyekire ngakimo konyara kana na obasemi ucha sabantu ngotema mure kosemi abantu iguru buna CDF chiga chigo kore kyagere mechane menge go chaising ncha abantu gutamanya nake abantu abakonyora information banyara gusemi wana biga ibwana tako koruga naiga nebiga ni bigo korwa no mojumbe nebini bibi county ayega na yaba MCA.
So what happens before to say ekero maybe financial year every financial year kerego chaka ngo twara to public participations
yes
ekero bono to let's say eto we to announce that's part of our roles yoko to make sure abantu bamanyire eto go for example nyekisi central twate abantu cyo totoka sakoro kumenyingwa go totoka sakoro kumasongo eto ko rali mapema abana nchi baba aware ekero babira aware twagenda team the entire team ya CDF chisukuru heads abantu chisukuru yani bono ikenyoro aseri to kwanda abantu bali ba kurwororo eba mwana to gocha bacha ne proposals what they want to mujumba bakorera in terms of roads, in terms of classes kwenda so ekero to iramoni abo na intubono from my office ngoba teitore ngi CDF gokora ngi kebwanete what they are required to do ngoba teitore maybe chi proposal ngabno bako te ngoki bako na proposals in terms of order of priority so each year kwenda every year go make sure turimna before tura mangana allocation yatara koru team ya CDF kwenda into villages yanyara ko sensitize abantu igoro ya public participation na into CDF gokora
mbia mona sana ando chenga ajara disengencho yebiro bono na potura chigukora bukolinde ekirogo cha gukora ngutora muri differences no na basayasi chavisi abasaya ngo nyaroringa kiro kinde bakwika mwanya oranga muri kuigwana chinkwana gose mwabachanire abantu bachaka kuingirane inchera kimugote magukanya mangana yaiga ebitina.
You know, in every organization I am a leader, njepuna na amanyire. In every organization ntori komis wrangles. Wrangles chinchire everywhere. But bono mnumusai gusai mnumuntu tokoreka asili kwana tokora yours is to try and avoid amangana ebitina gusirangles chiko lakini whenever they arise because naboto kunyara gozuya ngutwara tuno ne disciplinary committee ekero umuntu ago akorekana gutatwara chimbu chingi yali abokurangari gukandega wakwanero ina nodari mana watebu ya gaturiko korabia kosonye no muntu okogosera nabo ntubwate kwende disciplinary committee itali nabo kunyara mwenda mwagiri gusina na mwogora consensus no banyene onyo muntu okogosera nabo mukwana mwikaransa mwakwana mwanyara kutatua shida because we can't be in office go handle cases instead yo go handle abananchi kusawa abananchi so we also try in as much as tokonyara kwa avoid obo tino bwate biro bokoboke but whenever they arise ntumanye tenga kibago chaba kwanerwa ne ntubwate committee ali ya disciplinary
ai buno mora ibwa basai kosana inde buno musai enka yoroche abasai banyari bari chache para toke bari ase amatukare bosyo usenonye mwako yega kokero konyora ngetamu yega mura bisi yerire nkayira toka basai baikere
abasai nje according to me abasai mbale they are on the right track and bono in terms of our leadership bono twarore rumate gesama ngana agency happen utwarore runa barai baito gote mabale sana ku embrace amangana abasai and abasai nabarabu bona sepale tigana njengo ba encourage tigabanyare gweto masure gento kende asigari asore gento kende genzo kote amagokora ne bane pikipiki yao ko gandi mujengo yao kora gusina matoboli gwaka always give your best to babuna ye online kunya ko complain una muntu kete no mobe wo utaenda nyumbani imagine it's 2023 ayoro already esime kunya katabuna nyale bataenda nyumbani niba bakore gento kira okonye let's say yani kunyora as early as 2023 mwa elections muntu kete roso online erekazi ano kuli kabuna wewe utaenda nyumbani instead yo kore gento kusuku come up with good proposals more tero mujumbe for instance anyare ko bakonya so let's yani ntoba abantu balitore so idle in that one in tukasi tuno kunya ko point fingers let's be part of the solution as the young people ntoba balitonya complain too much let's be part of the solution but as I say abasai baitu nanda bangi most of them ba chire school they are enlightened they are on the right track
na bagutinda
barabono mate sometimes even they have choices anya korocho mo boiso ko tinda no konya ke tinda
dio kenyagaka agotebanga akorwa agotebanya bari chache in peace of working team janda agotebanga nigako represent abantu bakuru chinse mochae and agotebanga ere arocho moshimiwa onyare go deliver na hoyo igakuru kwa dio komae agotebanga following the conversation this powerful brother thanks for elaborating the issue of development to our people and dochinga na bagende ko motogenere koseko togie timu yeno na Barnabas Ratemo Gekonge Elisha Amose Victor Mondo Elisha Amose nandi ngirana agote baiga I love the way my brother is elaborating the presence of the youth in Mheshimiwa Genders governing top authorities Bonventure Movisa nera goteba kurwa mosocho na ndi agoteba good morning Amos Atuti agoteba regards ochasore Teresa Kemuntu agoteba tuned in and listening na ndoche aigase wetera sinchira SMS naro umbare banjare kurika ujumbe chabo gochaiga ekero yagoteba nga I'm afraid from Chirichiro Telecommunication Director that Chirichiro Ibeno Road agotebanga was done without marathing. Now it's impossible. Epara ya Chirichiro Ibeno Chirichiro Ibeno nigo ekorire gose nigo yanyarete kurimo kurendetera nyara kubikwa mara omoro mubona teri goiteka.
Epara yo Matilda, it's among the main roads twa temetoka last year. Era se chitali chiria so mujumbale lakini chira under the county government. So yeah, better maintained and then we hope wangoiga nyara nande ko chokoma maintained nyara kubikwa moro. So we ask for their patience.
Oyo Fred ngorangi kwiguru kwiraniryo ko korenene kero tugendete kumurikira una abasaye gose gusegeta abasaye bakendere gwetuma kigima ane inse yo burayo buiga bogenderete gusabara bali chabisi ayo narondoche Jared arenge ukukwana korinde Jared okay abantu abange banarevu na Anju ingira nyara ukwana kyo mwerekero to kurasinginche biro byatonyorire
Gintu nanyare kosemia abantu bamitu banyari bali chache tigatoka ndra kubwatsi mujumbe nabwate buna bona ige bintu mbiro in place bire rainda ko nto batebe ko chimutu abwanta ko chakoto abwanta ko abantu banyari bali chache so nchengo ba any college baganda ko support banyandra ko musabera anyale ko lead constituency ito no bongaini boigoro na wetera chinguru cha nyasaye andre ndengo basaya bamintu because nchengo ngo wakirishandi kala so obisi mujumbe ngo ba any college na barabo banyale ko ase bali babwate ganga yo kunyara maybe go batete ko venture into even businesses kero mugo chamo as a group umushimwa na bwate program yo ku empower youth in terms of kubana onye some resources bachi kuchakana na se biashara gusino no botugi igongo ba encourage inda so bonge munyare ko chamo as groups obisi yake ombu CDF na open mwachari mwa register and then kero mujumba gocha na butoko nyara kumutebya una tagete elinde munyivanya saye banyale ko konya kaini one world the other tari basaye boka no ne bikundi bya bangino mabira bingo encourage tore babire bagokonya and then nabona baraba nyagochari baba amo mwanyale ko ba empower one world the other.
Mbiye bona sana omwanjo murigireria oyo ni gare Jared orare kurwase bunge nyari bari chache ore communications director nande ore omurai wabasai timene usonde naro kwa maiga korende ndoche ngansanchira
bangira mabantu banga baiga na bange sana ntoro to chakane timu eri mushimo ya Sairi ofisi amone timu eri engima unabona namo muspat na ara kuruna beti nyanguka ontebiri na to basa kurwa botara ntumera makwani beti kona na ukwani the entire team ngutumira mujumbe mheshimiwa Zairi janda maika kurwega abanyali bali bonsi ipi ne group nera ikoro kabune ibenenya bante imbali tuned so na barabu na bongo batumira maiga amana the entire abana inchi bonsi banyali bali chache
mbiye mona sana mwanjo murigire asengencho oyebira nigo turachiko so asina inde ikengese kende kyo mwalyo kema kyo murobiriga wetwane korende oyo onere Jared orare ogosoka kuromono ekirato abeto kwanira amangana CDF anane mono ase constituency iri ya Nyaribari chache togosoka kende gutigara imyage tembe TV murobiri no yubwetwane
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege
Amarietane neri kimisuko na eri kimisuko no manyagetaria imeye nyagetaria nugapesi ni nyagetaria gotoka somo chubo songo ebwato bokoreri bwayo buyakigima na kobwamone gotumeka chi machine chekerero echichiarure korwa sense ya South Korea nugapesi etobwato bokoreri boito gaiga na kobwamone twakonyiro mugusiasa atambe twaberire gaiga asege kegetambe korwa mwako 2018 mogusi onde bwense obwate mechando wao unabono mochando bwegete kyo mogongo gwatia amagoro akobimba mochando bwa arthritis manyinga gwaka igoro mochando bwa esukari amo namoroire amanga arese emebere yaito oitana ni nyagetari chinyinge nendo taranyora obobwenia nese eng'encho ataratarire nyagetari yaito ya Nuga Paste erinda anyora obobwenia oboiga boito aiga Nuga Paste ntori kobara ntori kobete sindani ntori gokwamaria oganda onsi yogo kobekera chemicals omobere etogo koa obobwenia boito bwekerero obwo bogotumeka chimashini na kobwa mono chindetere chiana no diamond tomenium
irietari ane igongoro kumera ni kwambuka one gento na rochege kone igo na nyore to buire mwaka 2002 obuire obuna akire kuri nyagetari na iru nyagetari paka bwasinyire bono ngo teba ngonde bwensi ura doge ngana no buire buno bobwa mauga boko bimbio mobiro yo gwati botari korara era tigaike gaige senya gitari ya Nuga Paste erinde mokonde muno anjibete nga yankonyire tinare ko nyara konchore bigoti na gwe kumba lakini bono ko nyara konchore bigoti nyibwete nga bono ngo na gwende ngo gwe nande bono
Samarieta ongoro kwa Esther Nyarik ayande ngoro ku Madam Director korwase enyagitari ya Nuga Paste nogo tonyora asama gacho Ouru Towers second floor tirongo tiakabere kegusi twakwariganirie togokonye omobero obe buya amanyinga atare buya